I Nehal and today I am here to show you a new activity or test called conductivity test of distilled water and salt solution. So in this activity I will show you that our distilled water means pure form of water is good conductor of electricity or bad conductor, and also that why our tap water means normal form of water is good conductor. So let's get started. So first of all, for checking the conductivity, we should have to make a circuit, and for circuit we should have to need a battery, a small LED bulb, some amount of normal water, some amount of distilled water, and some amount of salt. Then make the circuit. So take your battery and put it here. Then connect the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the bulb, and the positive terminal of the bulb to a wire, and dip the wire in the distilled water, and also the remaining negative terminal of the battery, just like these. Then you are able to see that the bulb is not glowing. Then so slowly pour some salt in the distilled water. And then check. Then you are able to see that the bulb is glowing. Just see. Then take your normal water and then check this. In this also the bulb is glowing. This shows you that our groundwater and tap water means normal form of water naturally contains some amount of salts. That's why because of salts they are good conductor, and our pure form of water means distilled water doesn't contain any amount of salts. That's why it's the bad conductor. So guys, if you like my video then please give a thumbs up, comment and share on the video. Subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.